Be like a river. Hi, good morning. Charles here. It's Wednesday. Good luck for today and be like a river. So as you can see, patuloy lang siya, diba? Yung tubig. And minsan, yung river na yan nakakadanas ng pagbaha. So pagbaha, medyo maputik, magulo, diba? Nakakatakot. So be like a river. Parang continuous lang, diba? And kakalma din ang lahat. So kahit ano pang mapagdadaan ng mga unos, diba? You just have to keep going. Kasi eventually, matatapos din naman yung ulan, yung malakas na agos, at magiging normal ulit at magiging kalmado. So parang ganyan din ang buhay natin, though sa video hindi yun na siya nakikita kasi naglalakad na ako yung river, but I wanted to point out lang na be like a river, diba? Just keep going, continue. May mga challenges man, just pray, have faith, and believe na magiging okay ang lahat, diba? Ganun naman yun lagi. So I guess yun lang. Whatever you're going to do something today, may magdadaanan ka mang mga challenges today, but be like a river. Continue lang, makakarating ka rin sa paruroonan mo. Ayun lang. Good luck. God bless for today. Ayan.